I can either just dive into all the different categories of intellectual property, or I can open it up to questions. What are you gonna say?
There's one question that I know we're both really interested in, and that is licensing. Like when you have a copyrighted work, what does that look like in terms of, this person wants to use it in their whatever movie, art gallery, theatrical performance, et cetera, et cetera?
Licensing agreements can be written in pretty much any way that you want them to be written. So if you want to sell your musical piece for a certain dollar amount every time they play it in the movie, you can do that. You can give them an across-the-board license where they just have the rights to use it whenever, and that's just a one flat fee, and then they go from there. So they can be structured any way that you want them to.
Okay.
The trick with copyright in that case is that you would want to register it.
I guess the only other challenge is I don't know what the price points that people are doing that kind of stuff at, and I have nowhere to gauge. Do you have any resources as to what other people are charging other people?
Yeah, it's not really. It's, it's basically whatever the you can get it for.
Yeah.
So if you're dealing with Hollywood, they're going to be able to pay a lot more. If you've got somebody who has a very low budget, they're not going to be able to pay more. So it really just depends on what the two parties agree to, and we've seen everything.
So is it able to be something where you have almost like a tiered structure, like 10 plays for X amount,
right.
1,000 plays for whatever, and then
right.
like a yearly subscription, and that's unlimited within that year or whatever?
Yeah, it really can be any of those. It depends on what the parties want.
Okay, so there's a lot of flexibility there.
Yeah, so the only place that I can tell you to search would be the internet to see, but it's probably going to give you stuff that's wildly across the board. I mean, someone like Eminem can probably charge a lot more money for his music than somebody that's just starting up out of their garage.